Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So this is left side, this is right side. Video is all mirror view. So let's begin the video. So first, what you have to do is 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. First, learn the leg movement. So your legs be like 1, 2, like this. So jump, open, then close, like this. All right, do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Do it 4 times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All right, do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All right, and your hand movements be like 1, 2, then 3, 4, like devil. All right, do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, then 3, 4, like this. All right, now let's join both the movements. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All right, now do it fast this time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All right, so do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. After 4, go to the left side like this. All right, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All right, so your leg movements be like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, like this. All right, do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And your hands be like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Now let's do both the movements. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, then 3, 4, like this. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now do it fast this time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's do all the steps from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All right, so after 4, what you have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So your hands be like 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And your legs be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, toe, like this. All right, do it again. From here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, what you have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a top rock. All right, now do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a top rock. All right, do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All right, so after top rock, what you have to do is 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. All right, do it again. Your legs be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, like this. All right, do it again in slow. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6, like this. Shake your legs like this and go up like this. All right, do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. Down, 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 then up, like this. All right, do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. All right, now do it all the steps from the top. From here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Alright, now let's do all steps in fast motions. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, now let's do all the steps in slow music now. 5, 6, 7, go. So if you want to practice this dance on music, so my dance video link is pop up here, so you can go and check out. So if you like this video, so make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe the channel for the future upcoming videos. So see you in the next video.